Right, the most important thing in art is composition. And it's all to do with shapes, really, is composition. Here we've got a rectangle. You can have that as your pencil drawing or painting or whatever. That's your canvas or your paper. So where we're going to put the horizon line, say if we're going to do a landscape, where we're going to put it as a horizon line, we're going to put it here, like that. That's okay if you've got a big sky or a bit of a landscape at the bottom. But for general landscape painting or drawing, you've got to let down inside of you, relax, let your unconscious tell you where to put the horizon line. You should go about there. It's all to do with sensitive shapes. That shape doesn't feel too big for that one, and vice versa. That doesn't feel too small for that one. Then you've got to think where you're going to put the other line. It's all to do with relationships and how sensitive shapes relate to each other. Well, you put that there. And that shape and that shape and that shape, they all look okay. One doesn't feel out of place or too big for the other. I'll put the one here. Okay, that looks a bit too big for that one. But I can put the one here. Let your unconscious tell you. Let down inside of yourself. That can go there. And you can build this up. Just like we're going to put another line here. Just relax and let your unconscious tell you where it goes. And you can build up a picture like this. Like a Mondrian abstract painting or something. You can put them on there. But you see all these rectangle shapes. You can't have a picture with all rectangle shapes. You've got to contrast those with other shapes. Say a triangle. But always look at the shape where you're going to put the line in for the triangle. Let your unconscious tell you. I know that they're not true triangles, but they're sort of classed as triangles in a way. They're more like rhomboids. And once you've done that, stick another one here. You're adding another shape, you see. Your unconscious tell you. Go on there. You can build up like this. I don't think I'm going to put them on there, or should I? Yeah, it looks okay there. Put them there. They're all different shapes and different sizes. No good having them all the same size. Put a rectangle there, just there. You can build it up. Go on there, let your unconscious tell you. You see all those shapes there now, they all look harmonised. And one shape doesn't look too big for the other. And that's composition. So if we're going to do a farm, we'll do a rectangle shape. Again, let yourself down inside and let your unconscious tell you. Not your conscious mind, your unconscious. And there. Let's say we're going to do a farm. Say, how do you draw a farm? Just a bit like that. We'll do a bit of a tree. A sort of building there, maybe. Let your unconscious tell you of a path coming down, say, like that. Put a chimney pot on. Now, these shapes, what doesn't look right about them? This doesn't look right, really, that shape. Well, let's rub that out. Doesn't look right at all, though. We could have another tree, something like that. Another fence. Have it continually going on there. You can have your windows in and all the rest of it. You see, what looks right and what doesn't look right. It's all to do with shapes, remember. Does these shapes look together? Does that look good with that? Does that look good with that? That to that? Don't look too bad. This shape here, too big. Maybe I put a tree or something there. And this is how you build your shapes up for a composition. As you see here in the John Constable's Hayway, you've got triangle, well you've got, let's do the rectangles first. One over here, it hits the gable end of the building there. You've got one rectangle there and another one there. Then you've got other rectangles in there as well. Here. It repeats those other rectangles. Rectangle of the window. It's counteracted by triangles. One here, the line going up. You've got a triangle there. You've got a triangle here. You've got up the side of the bank in there, side of the tree, where the clouds are there. You've got a triangle there and a triangle here. And if you look, you've got other triangles. They're all related to each other, and then you've got verticals, you know, vertical there, vertical in the post. Little horizontals with the bar there, that which goes with the horizontal or the horizon line there. Horizontal of the building, more verticals. It's all, and they're all integrated in a pleasing aesthetic way. There was a master at composition, was Constable. Another compositional element is the curves of the clouds, curves of the trees, curves down here, curves of the wheel, more curves on that little bush. All over the place of the curves. They're all related in a good way.